Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm excited to show one of my 3 new completions for March, and I was super excited I was able to finish one of my bigger whips. It's big but not that big. So the other 2 completions are 2 other mini dazzles I was able to finish, and the first one is the lotus flower, and this is from the classic flowers collection of the mini dazzles. And just in case you're not familiar, mini dazzles are little mini kits, as you can see here. They're from diamondartclub, and they're square diamonds, and the majority of them, or I believe all of them, are special diamonds. Sometimes they have some ABs, but a majority of them are fairy dust, which are the really lovely diamonds that have the little mica powder. Has a nice little soft glitter effect. This is the first one I got to complete, and oh my goodness, I love the color on this one. I'll move it a little closer. I love how it came out when I was working on it. And these little mini dazzles are all square diamonds, and they've been helping me a lot practicing with my squares. That's why I got a little brave to start working on a larger square painting that I unboxed earlier this week. But I really wanted to finish, just to know, hey, I completed a painting. And all y'all wonderful viewers, thank you so much, have let me know that these are considered completions. So that's why I'm more than happy to show them to y'all. So this would be the first one that I completed this week, I believe. No, last week, apologies. I completed all 3 of these paintings this past week, and this is the first one I completed from the mini dazzles. And the second one I got to complete is the sunflowers, also sent from the same collection from the classic flowers. As you can see, some beautiful sunflowers with the wonderful green leaves, and if you see these little extra shiny diamonds here on the top of the leaves, those are AB diamonds, which surprised me when I started placing them. How ABs are my favorite special diamonds, so I got real happy that this painting has it. As you can see, the wonderful flowers. I just love the yellow coloring of this. I do not have the total diamonds I've placed. It's just I need to wait till I finish all of the square paintings because they're all in one kit. So once I complete all of them, I can give you the total number of diamonds. These 2 paintings, counting, and this is just for the month of March, counting the original ones I've shown earlier in this month, this would be painting number 6, and this would be painting number 7. These 2 are the next completions. I really like that. I got really good number of paintings done in March, and I just love these. And I haven't considered putting them in a frame. I'm just going to put them up on the wall in this style because I actually love the little coloring that's on the actual canvas. As you can see, it's not part of, it can't be removed. You can cut it off, or you can put it in a frame to kind of help it just kind of line it, or as I said, I'm just going to put it on the wall in this style. I really like it. Oh my goodness, it came out so pretty. I actually have another one that I'm planning to finish, but that was the other thing I was going to state. I knew I was going to forget. I only complete them after I finish one of my whips. Yeah, it's on. I decided to do that as, as a reward that, I've worked so hard, finished this larger canvas. I reward myself with smaller ones. To me, the logic makes sense. Let me put these aside real quick. And this is the whip that I was able to finish. As I said, kind of big, but not really. This is an older whip, and I unboxed this painting probably around, apologies, it's called Love Potion, and it's also from Diamondart The mini dazzles, as I stated before, are also from Diamondart I unboxed this painting, oh my goodness, it was last year, I believe in the beginning of last year, when I actually started up the channel. And it's a smaller canvas, just as a reminder, I guess I can call it that. The name of the painting is called Love Potion by Linda Schulberg, and this size is a 32 by 37 centimeters. As you can see, it's a nice little square, wonderful snow-capped mountains with some trees, a wonderful lake giving a reflection of the mountain. That's why if it sees 2 mountains, it's giving a reflection, and a wonderful little moon on top with this wonderful, really dark sky. This painting had 24 colors, and it had 3 ABs, and that was it. Yes, I didn't make any enhancements to this painting because It was an older one when I started. So, and when I first started the painting, I kind of was still trying to get the groove of the whole diamond painting world. So I never thought of enhancements, but the basic ABs that were included in this painting was more than enough for myself. And the diamonds, as always, from diamondart always have enough sparkle and shine, as you can see. I really do love this canvas. So let me give you some statistics on this wonderful little painting. So this painting would be considered for the month, for the March total that I've done. This is number 8. And these are premium paintings. The mini dazzles and this painting included. My love potion painting is number 8. My total lifetime of diamond painting completions of premium is 14. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm at 14. And just for 2025, I have 9 premium paintings completed. So I had said in the beginning of the year I wanted a goal of 12, I believe. I always forget. I need to make a note. I do not know why I keep forgetting. I set a goal of completing 12 premium canvases for the year 2025 because I assumed I could probably finish one in each month. But I found out it's a little faster if I can do a couple in a month. And the mini dazzles, they are smaller, so it's kind of inspiring me. It's kind of pushing me to complete bigger ones so I can get a little faster. I hope that explanation kind of helped. And this painting is a round shaped diamond, just for some clarification. And in total, the number of diamonds that have been placed for this painting is 30,340. And the total number of diamonds I have placed in my diamond painting lifetime is 191,028 diamonds. Oh my goodness, that is a lot of diamonds. Never think of it. When, you're just painting. You never really think of it. The start date on this one was 8/29 of 2024. The date of completion was March 16th of 2025. This poor painting. Oh my goodness, I feel so bad. And this happened to a lot of my other whips that I'm currently working. I started it, and you know how you start getting the groove, and either you start, not loving the painting, is just, you want to work on something different for a while. And the only reason this painting kind of pushed me in that manner, as you can probably see, it is a bunch of color blocking. Line blocking, to be exact. As you can see, these really straight lines of the same color, they're all color blocking. And when I did the water, this was, it's starting a little frustrating to me because it was just so much of just color blocking over and over and over. Again, when I started this painting, it's when I started getting into the groove of getting more comfortable with diamond painting. But yeah, I was starting to get a little frustrated with all the blue. When I started switching to the purple, which is this part here, which is part of the reflection, I started enjoying it more, mostly because I love these really light purple colors. Big fan of it. Around the time that I was, I put it aside, decided to pick up again. It was touch and go, so apologies. I do not have a count of how many days it took me. But around that time, that's when I was getting ready to move from that city I was living in to my current one. So a lot of my whips got put back in the original boxes, put in storage just so I can pack it up and bring them, to my new location. This painting, I did the same thing, and I kind of misplaced it. So the box is small as well, so I wasn't too sure where it was. And when I found it at the beginning of March, actually, this month, I saw, oh my goodness, I was already at a halfway point when I stopped working on this painting. That I decided, you know what, let me just quickly work on it, see if I can finish it for this year, because it's such a small canvas, and I felt so bad that I just put it away. So that's why I kept on trucking along, and I figured, you know what, I can finish it. I'll finish it in March. So that's why I kept working on it. Excuse me. Other than the color blocking, that was, I don't want to say issue, but that was one of the reasons why I kind of put it away and stopped. The trees, as you can see, they are different shades of green. It's real subtle. I believe it's 2 shades. Same thing in this area here as well. Honestly, I am not too sure what this is. I think I'm trying to look at the original thumbprint. And I have washi tape lining it. I'm trying to see if I can see it. I think it's just supposed to be ground. Because these are all the trees. This is the base of the mountains. I think this is just soil. I'm assuming. It kind of looks like it. And the water is reflecting it as well. And that's the other thing I really loved about this canvas. I love the reflection effect that the rendering of this painting did. Big fan of that. That's when I was working on it, and it was slowly pushing me to move up so I can start going onto the actual mountains. I really loved working on the reflection. And there are a whole bunch of different tones, especially for this brown area, that I had to keep doing a lot of. There is a lot of color confetti that was here in the brown section, which I believe is the dirt, and in the trees as well. Just in case you're not familiar with the term, confetti is when you have to keep doing a lot of color changing. The trees are a good example. As you can see, there's little spots of really dark color. I believe it's 310. And same thing with the mountains. There are a lot of different shades hidden within this little blue area and the little dark lines that was on the mountains. The snow cap areas of the mountains are our lovely white AB, good old 141. I really love to put it on the mountains, and the little moon as well. Yeah, it's really subtle sparkle, but I'm a big fan of that. And the sky as well kind of had the same colors as the water. So this majority was all flat out color blocking, meaning that it was all the same color, this wonderful blue. I start paintings from the bottom up, so I just kept trucking along. And when I was getting to the sky, I'm being super honest, I was just rushing to finish the painting because I just did not want to keep working on color blocking for a while. But luckily, I was able to finish it. And this painting, I believe I purchased it through Amazon. So all the information about this and the mini dazzles as well, I'll put in the description below, just in case you really do love the little mountain range and those lovely flower paintings as well. Other than that, I did enjoy it. Even though it took me a while to pick it back up, I did enjoy doing all of the little reflective parts and the mountains. Other than that, I have no issue with the diamonds, no issue with the stick. It's diamondart.club. I never have issue with stick. And yeah, I would do a dekitting because I do save my diamonds in the video, but I unfortunately kind of accidentally shook my box that has all my diamonds stored, so they all got out of order. So I got to fix it again. But when I do, I'm going to do a dekit video by itself for this painting. As I said, it's only 24 colors, so it's not that many. But stay tuned for that video. It's just, I'm a little bit clumsy, so that poor box. I feel so bad that I shook it so bad. And I'll give you another kind of just run over real quick of the painting. It is pretty, and I am planning to put it on my wall. It's such a cute little, just wonderful little picture to have on there. Just so you can see the shine of the diamonds, and so I can have decoration on my walls. Because I need more paintings on my walls. And for the two little mini dazzles, let me show you those again. It's the lotus and the sunflower. I really love these two. So far I'm at number 9. 9 that I completed in March. Even I'm surprised by that. So, oh, apologies. 8 that I completed in March. Why did I say 9? Oh, because 19. Okay. Yeah, 8 I completed in March, which is really surprising to me. So, and I'm also currently working on other whips as well. So stay tuned for another completion for one of my older whips, because I do want to go back and complete a lot of my 2024s because I have so many and I really want to get ahead. So, you know, I can show you all more of these wonderful completion videos, just so I know, hey, good job, Rosie. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do, no matter how long they take, little one. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.